is, man. Word up, ASAP Rocky. What up, my nigga?
Count down the arm. Count down the arm. Get.
Ooh-wee. Welcome to the Van Rap Radio. Damn it, waking up to the beautiful sound of a brand new music video, man. Watching the track at last, watching that video. Oh man, being laid over the track that I've been doing so good, man. The track in the combine and the track Lavida, Loca, the track in Rio Tropanga Batondy of feature Blaklez. On that track, Terry. Hi man. Hope because Suzuniza was always yataka zambiru, yataka zamutu achizubona. And the track in here, yeah, man. This is nice, man. Trying a new sound, trying a new flow, trying everything, putting it together, and then you combine with other people. Yeah, man. They were Batondy and Blaklez. So they finally dropped a brand new music video for that track. I've seen a couple of clips on it. I've seen a couple of things. Yeah, you know. I'm going to let you watch it, guys. I'm going to let you watch this video with me. And then when we're watching it, man, I'm just telling you, make sure that you go and subscribe, like, and then comment, man. I'm on this video, man. Make sure that you go to Batondy's channel because I'm going to drop the link to this music video on the description. So make sure that you go and check it out. And when you check it out, make sure that you like and comment and subscribe to the channel because Batondy is about to drop more and more visuals, man. So, guys, let's not waste time, ne? Let's check out this music video. Blaklez featuring Batondy, Lavida, Loca. You should HB Media, one of the dopest guys when it comes to this things was the music video, man. They're doing it big, man. So, hey, waboina magomba kombono rabone. Hey, the Batondy that's Ivanga. As we spoke on the interview earlier, man, I'm gonna give you something hot.
No, I'm not really a minor. I'm a real cat. They ain't even got no 9 lives. Finna be to be pursuit and tie from the morning and the noon and night. Look at the beard, Naguta Taco, Anima Bird, and Jogi Sasko. Anima Money Picasso, new generation check my vasto. Feeling myself, you're like Nago, Tangajitu,
Bonnie. I love how I could reach down, but this guy when he play this, his word play and all that. I when with the way now, he's the new Jack Maba, so shit. Guys, make sure you check out this video because all is shit. Bonnie, Bafe.
one of the best, I thought I told you, what did I say?
Wait.
It's crazy how all of a sudden they acting shady now. Let me break it down. It'd be your friends.
I'm proud, man. I'm proud to see this. I'm proud to watch this video. I'm proud about everything on this video, man. I'm so proud of it. I don't know reading. I don't know meaning. I born is over this year code.
Get all the money and travel the world. Me and my mommy will live that. Lavida look, Lavida look.
One. Yeah, man. And Batondy. Change is good, guys. You don't really have to work with one artist forever. No, you need to invest, man. With these things that we've been telling other artists, invest in your hustle. Make sure Suzano zuko tangana ngandira inezo one. Zuko rari man. One. Man. Batondy. Man, you killed this one, man. You killed it. I'm so proud to see things like this. Zuguite as the Zob Radio, man. Unana zungo zunana ngas dozo ya beside Dori. I'm proud and then proud and then big shout out to Uhone Transport for sponsoring the music video. Big out to HB Media. Big up to PLG. Yeah, I forgot that name. Sorry, I keep forgetting that name. But yeah, man, big up to everyone. Big up to the manager, the guy that is managing Batondy, man. The guy is doing great. He came with a dream and a plan, and then it's working out for these guys. What more can I say, man? It's something the guys are not playing, man. They're just not doing it because but they have a plan, a dream, and they have a way forward. They're trying to bring something new into the music. Venda. You need to take this direction. So I hope Mungutu Nayoko Dolena better and then trying to build on top of what Batondy have done. Go better than this. And more that are better than this. Batondy that are better. And one thing again, most of the artists, they don't like each other. They don't share each other's work. Guys, you don't understand. Posters to an artist means something big. So I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to drop a video today about it. So make sure, guys, you check out Batondy's video. Subscribe, like, and comment. And then at the bottom there, make sure you click the link or you watch this video. Watch this video, man. Watch this video. I'm insisting that you want any video. Hey, Goria, and this is radio. We're proud to see things like this. I'm out here. Wait.
All of a sudden they acting shady now. Let me break it down.